Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to get a modded version of the game Frozen City on your phone. No jailbreak. This works on iOS and Android. So as you can see, I got unlimited resources. So I'm going to show you guys exactly the downloads onto your device. So what you want to do, guys, is go ahead and go over to this website called hexmods.com. All right. So once you're on this site, guys, go over to the search bar and simply type in Frozen City. And as you can see, guys, it says Frozen City mod. So press on it and press the download button, and this will start downloading the Frozen City mod. Now, before it downloads, you will have to do a verification. All this means is downloading some apps, completing the instructions. These are completely for free, and they're from the official App Store, guys. So let's wait for this to load, and then I will show you how this works. So as you can see, it says, please take a few minutes to complete the verification process. And these are just App Store apps. They're very easy to download. So as you can see, guys, it just brings me to this App Store. So if you guys wanted to know if they actually bring you to the App Store, the answer is yes. So let's go onto the App Store and type in Frozen City, just so you guys can see how expensive the game is. Now, I don't actually have the game installed because I need the mod. So I don't have the normal version of the game installed. I just have the mod. So when we go to the in-app purchases, you can see it is quite expensive. So I'm going to see you guys in another video. But yeah, be sure to subscribe. This is super cool and it fully works. So if this video works, you guys, be sure to go ahead and share it because this is super insane. And guys, if Frozen City is your jam, then you will be excited to know that I am providing you with the Frozen City mod that actually works in 2024, guys. So be sure to try this out for yourself. It's super cool. I'm going to see you guys later, but yeah, subscribe to the channel because this is awesome. And you guys do not have to jailbreak your device or anything like that, which is great. So I'm going to see you guys in another video, and be sure to subscribe to the channel.